Hello everybody again. So today in maths we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Yesterday and on Monday we investigated zero. Today we're going to be having a look at putting two groups of objects together. We're going to be doing some calculating and some counting. Now there are a few things that you will need for our lesson. You are going to need your part whole, some counting objects, and your numeral cards. So pause the video now and go and collect them. Okay, if you've got everything you need, we'll get started. Okay, now the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to play a game of I Spy. Who likes I Spy? Me, I do. But this game of I Spy is a counting game of I Spy. Of course it is. We're doing maths. It's going to be counting. I'm going to show you a picture and we're going to play the game. Okay, so we saw this picture before. This is the picture of my garden centre. Okay, here we go. I spy with my little eye something that has three. So have a look in the picture. Can you spot something that has three? Okay, what did you see? Shout it at the screen. Yes, okay. I can see three trees that are triangles too. That's not what I was thinking about. Well done. That's what I saw too. 3 red roses in a pot. Well done. Okay, let's play again. I spy with my little eye something that is 2. What do you see? Shout it at the screen. 2. Okay, I get it. Let me show you. Somebody said 2 people sitting on the bench. But that is not what I was thinking. Call some more 2s out that you see. Yes, let me show you this one too. Somebody saw 2 yellow flowers in a pot. But that is not what I was thinking about. This is what I was thinking about. 2 red shoes. Well done, everybody, for spotting 2 in that picture. Shall we play one more time? Good, here we go. I spy with my little eye something that is the number 1. Shout it at the screen. Tell your mummy and daddy. What do you see that is 1? Okay, so I heard this. I've put a circle round 1 green bench. Anybody else spot 1 green bench? Yes, well done. That is not what I was thinking about. I wonder, can we spy again? I spy with my little eye something the number 1. Yes, there it is. 1 yellow rose. That's what I was looking at. 1 yellow rose. Well done, boys and girls. We're going to come back to this picture a little bit later. Okay, so we're going to start with our new learning. So today we're going to be looking at combining groups of objects. And I've got a puzzle here for you to think about by yourself. Here are some dolls from our classroom. Here we have two boys going to play at the park. And here we have three girls going to play at the park. 1, 2 boys, 1, 2, 3 girls. 2 is a part and 3 is a part. How can we find out how many children there are all together? How do we find the whole? If you said we could count them all, wow, well done, what an idea. Of course we could, that would be a brilliant idea. Let's see if we can count all of these dolls and find out how many children they are. It might help if we push them together. Here we go, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 children all together. Well done, we added them together. Shall we try a different one? So here is my new puzzle. We have 2 blue cars in a car park and 2 red cars in a car park. 2 is a part and 2 is a part. We need to find out how many cars there are all together. What could we do? Well done, everyone. You really have got this. We are going to count them. Now, I'm going to need to push these cars together to help me out. There we go. We've now got 1 group of cars. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cars all together. 2 is a part, 2 is a part, 4 is the whole. Now here is one just for you. Now I've written our important sentences out for your grown-ups to help you with. I've actually used sweeties again. Sorry. Here it comes. Okay, there it is. So at the top here, we've got 3 sweeties. And here we have 1 sweetie. So I'd like you to use these sentences and talk it out with your grown-ups. Which are the parts? And how many is the whole? Press pause and come back when you're ready. Brilliant job, everybody. Well done. Yes, 3 is a part and 1 is a part. And then did you work out that all you had to do was count them all to work out how many sweeties there were all together? Okay, count them all with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you count 4 sweeties? 3 is a part, 1 is a part, 4 is the whole. Well done, boys and girls. Okay, let's go back to that picture that we started with. And I think there's some more calculating that we can do with that. What I'd like you to do is to find out how many roses there are altogether. But this time, I'd like you to use your counting objects and your part-whole model. Okay, let's do this together using our counting objects and our part-whole model. Okay, here is my part-whole model. Here is a part, here is a part, this is the whole. So into this part and this part, I need to put our roses. Now I remember that there was 1, 2, 3 red roses. 3 is a part. I say, you say. 3 is a part. Well done, boys and girls. 3 is a part. And there was 1 yellow rose. 1 is a part. I say, you say. 1 is a part. Well done. So these 3 red cubes represent the 3 red roses, and this 1 yellow cube represents the 1 yellow rose. 3 is a part and 1 is a part. I say, you say. 3 is a part and 1 is a part. Now, to help me find out how many roses there are all together, what are we going to do? Of course, we are going to count. Let's move our cubes into the hole. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 rose, 2 roses, 3 roses, 4 roses. There are 4 roses all together. 3 is a part, 1 is a part, 4 is the whole. Well done, boys and girls. Now it's your turn, boys and girls. So I'm going to show you another part of our picture, and I would like you to represent it with your counting objects and your part-whole model. Here is our picture, and I've put a large circle around the trees in the pot next to the bench. Some of them are circles and some of them are triangles. I'd like you to represent this part with your part-whole model and counting objects. Press pause and we'll come back when you've finished. Okay, boys and girls, well done. Have you represented the 3 triangles in one part and the 2 circles in another? Okay, boys and girls, have you represented the 3 triangle-shaped trees in one part and the 2 circle-shaped trees in another part? Well done. Mine looks like this. These 3 cubes represent my triangle-shaped trees, and these 2 cubes represent my circle-shaped trees. Now, can you remember how we find out how many trees there are all together? Yes, well done, that's right. We're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 trees all together. 3 is apart and 2 is apart. 5 is the whole. Okay, so our last job now, I'm going to make it a little bit more difficult. I'm going to use some numeral cards. And I'm going to pop my numeral cards on my part whole. And I'd like you to represent those numerals with your counting objects. Okay, let me show you our first one. Okay, so you can see the 2 numerals there. Can you shout them out at me, please? Good job, well done. So we have 4. I say, you say. 4 is apart. Well done, boys and girls. And we have 2. I say, you say. 2 is apart. Well done. 4 is apart and 2 is apart. Press pause and represent those numerals with your counting objects. Well done. Does yours look a little bit like mine? Here are 4 cubes representing my numeral 4. And here are 2 cubes representing my numeral 2. 4 is apart and 2 is apart. Now, can you remember, what do we do to find out the whole, how many we've got all together? Yes, that's right. We count them. Now, I'm going to stick these together. Are you ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 is apart. 2 is apart. 6 is the whole. That's how many we have all together. Well done. Great job. Okay, are you ready to try one more time? Just like we did. I'll show you some numerals and you represent those numerals with your counting objects. Here we go. So here are your new numerals. We have this one here and this one here. Press pause and represent those numerals with your counting objects. Well done. Now, does yours look a little bit like mine? I have 3 counting objects on the numeral 3. 3 is apart. I say, you say. 3 is apart. Excellent, well done. And I wonder if you've done the same as me. I have nothing, no cubes, 0 cubes on here, because 0 means nothing. There are no cubes. How do we find out the whole? Can we still do it if we have nothing in this part? 3 is apart, 0 is apart. Can we count? Yes, of course we can. Let's put all of our cubes in the whole. 3 is apart, 0 is apart. And how many cubes do we have all together? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 cubes all together. 3 is apart, 0 is apart, 3 is the whole. You say 3 is apart, 0 is apart, 3 is the whole. Well done, boys and girls. Fantastic job today, everybody. Well done. What a brilliant bunch of people you are. Great calculating, great counting. Well done. That's the end of today's lesson. I hope you found it interesting, especially that last one where we added nothing. We added 0. Nothing changed. We'll explore that a little bit more another day. Bye for now.